Hello everybody, how are you? I am here to show you how to replace a turn light on 2003 to 2007 Saturn Ion. Saturn Ion 2003 to 2007. How to replace turn signal light. Okay, first you need to have T15 with a range. T15 with a range. T15 with a range. Okay. Number one, you need to open these three T15 bolt. One is right here. The other one is right here. The other one is right here. It's three T15 bolt. Once you lose, the rest you can open by hand. No problem. Again, it is T15, three little ball. Two. This is three ball, T15. And this is T15. You need to have this one. Okay, the rest you can take out all the tail light out. Okay, when you take, this is where the ball is coming. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the tail light right here. Tail light is right here. So you need to push up. Hold here. Push up. I can do. Yep, one hand. You need to take out. Okay. Let me get a new one. Okay, I got new one is right here. New tail light. Okay, it's gonna click. This new pole. You're gonna put it here, twist until it's a click. That means tie. It's not coming. Okay, so you need to put it back. The tail light. Make sure you have the alignment. You need to align in this. You see this one? Right here. Right here. Yep, see, this ball is alignment here. That means, okay, now. Okay, you need to tie the ball. Tie the ball. And that's it. You only need to tie a little bit, not too much. Make sure that this plastic don't break. Don't tie too much. Don't tie too much. Yep. You need to tie a little bit. Yeah, too much is gonna break. It's plastic. Yep, that's it. I want my daughter, she went to mechanic. They says we charge you almost $40. So I saved that 40. That's it. And let's see if it's working. Let me start the car. Let's see. See? It's flashing, working good. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Have a good day.